just very lightly lighten it.
The Aerospace Structures and Materials Lab is the focal point of most of the testing that happens in the aerospace structures groups. Where do you think it should fail if you have something like this? Where would you expect the stress to build up the most? Where is the thin? So what we're doing in these tests is characterizing or quantifying the properties of every material. So we have different material parameters like Young's modulus, tensile strength, compressive strength, fracture toughness, impact energy. So what we're doing through each of these experiments is identify those material properties. And ideally you measure 3 times, right? So you have an average and a standard deviation. The group of students we just spoke to today, they were undergraduate students from a course called Experimental Methods, which is designed to give undergraduate students an experience in hands-on work. So the entire semester they go to different labs across different departments, the structures department, the aerodynamics department, the controls department, and so on. And they get sort of like a hands-on feel of how theoretical stuff they learn in courses translates to the practical world through these experiments. This equipment, particularly this lab, is very well equipped. The equipment we have is at par with what's being used out there in industries. And that is a tremendous experience to have at the undergraduate level. Not many colleges offer this sort of deep experience. So when these students go out in the real world and start a job somewhere, they're most likely familiar with the things that they're doing over there. And as a whole, I think that's a tremendous experience for the student, but then also very good for the university in that it prepares its student for the outside world. Through this direction, right? And we want to study a few key things. When does the crack initiate? Meaning at what load